Hey everybody, it is officially 2020 and I want to wish you a happy new year. And I've been seeing a lot of people talk about their New Year's resolutions, so I thought I'd do a really quick video about my New Year's resolution because I came up with a kind of interesting New Year's resolution this year. And it's this year, in 2020, I want to be happier than I was in 2019. Which I know sounds crazy when you think about it, because how can you control your happiness? But I recently watched a TED Talk about how your happiness doesn't come from your outside realities, but rather comes from how you kind of view your world. So if you think of your world in a very positive way, you'll be happier than if you think negatively and you feel unsatisfied with what you have. So I thought it would be cool if I could make myself feel happier this year and see if it could actually work. And I found one exercise that I'm going to tell you guys about, because if you guys want to join me on this, you're more than welcome to. And this exercise, let me just get my new notebook, the Daily Goal Setter by Mal Paper. I got it a while ago, but I never actually ended up using it until today. So basically on the top, I'm going to zoom in a second, but it says 3 things to be grateful for, and all you have to do is write 3 things that you're grateful for. A very easy thing to do, but the thing is, the idea is that it starts you off with like a positive mindset. So you're not thinking negatively, you're not filled with negative information. You start by looking at the positives of your life. So no matter where you are in your journey, like, you have to look at the positives. And I kind of like that. I really like that idea. They also have daily affirmations in here and this great things that happened today section, but I've heard about this little exercise and I've heard that it's really helpful. So I'm going to try it out at least for the month of January and see if I want to continue it and see if it actually makes a difference, because if I can make myself feel happier, then, you know, I'll be more productive, I'll be more confident, hopefully. And yeah, so that is my New Year's resolution this year, and I'm excited for it. I'm excited for the new year because it could mean a lot of stuff. Hopefully it means more YouTube videos that I'll be posting, more blog posts and all that, and definitely going to be more client videos and professional videos, which I'm very excited for. So I wish you the best in the new year, and yeah, that's it. That's how I'm gonna, and yeah, cool. Gotta go back to work.